And really this creates kind of a few concerns, but also an opportunity for retirees and how to position your portfolios. First is we got to pay attention to inflation. One of the reasons that Jerome Powell has been cautious about decreasing interest rates over the last year or so has been because inflation has been a little higher than what he'd like. Inflation's been running somewhere between 2.7 and 3.1%, depending on which benchmark you look at. And inflation is a real number to retirees that can be really painful. If it's running around 3%, that's normally roughly in line with historical averages. But as soon as inflation gets up to 4, 5, 6, 7%, or numbers that we saw back in 2022, inflation can take away purchasing power very quickly from retirees. And so decreasing interest rates many times has a tendency to push up inflation just a little bit as spending tends to go up, demand tends to go up. And so we want to keep a close eye on making sure that we're on the right side of the inflation argument and that our portfolios are positioned well for even if inflation's starting to show up, that we're positioned well where we'll just make more money in the portfolio to offset those higher costs.